I've been able to get 1900 subscribers on YouTube, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the simple and the fastest way to be able to get 1000 subscribers fast on YouTube. And I know getting 1000 subscribers on YouTube is everybody's dream as a beginning YouTuber. When you are starting on YouTube, that's your dream, to get 1000 subscribers. And in this video I'm going to be showing you the easiest way that you can do that. And all this information that I'm going to be providing here, some people will say you need to pay before they can give you this value, but I'm going to be giving you guys completely for free. And all what I want you guys to do is just sit back, relax, and enjoy this particular video. So the first thing that you need to do when you want to get 1000 subscribers fast on YouTube is you need to improve on your thumbnails. You need to improve on your thumbnails. And many people will say, how am I going to improve on my thumbnails? First, you need to use like eye-catching thumbnails. And many people also ask, what are eye-catching thumbnails? Use like thumbnails that are having bright colors. And this thing is actually easy to get it because a lot of big companies have actually spent a lot of money to figure out colors that are actually attractive to people. So you can just copy from them, and I'll give you guys some examples like Google. So if you want to actually get a good colors that you think people will be attracted to it, go to Google, look for Google. What colors are they using for their icon for Google? Pick that particular, like any of that colors is a good colors because they have actually spent a lot of like money to investigate that, and they have come out with that particular colors. You can go and use it as inspiration and go ahead and also start to create your thumbnails like that. And you can also like get inspiration from Microsoft. Like Microsoft, like this, they use yellow in their icon, they use blue in their icon, they use red in their icon. So go and copy them as well. The only thing is you get inspiration from them and just use it as advantage to also move ahead, and you're going to be getting a lot of people to click on your videos. And as far as people click on your videos, then definitely many are going to actually watch it and enjoy it. And if somebody enjoy your video, you know what is next. They're going to actually subscribe to your channel. And that is how the first way that you are going to actually get 1000 subscribers fast on YouTube. And before like we continue, I just want to tell you guys that number 5 is the most game changer. So you need to watch the video all the way from beginning to the end to get the number 5, which is very important. So the second one that you need to do when you want to like get 1000 subscribers fast on YouTube is you need to post consistently. Make sure you're posting all the time on YouTube. Don't go for breaks and come back. So if you go for breaks and come back, YouTube is going to also punish you for that. So make sure you are actually active on the platform all the time. And it doesn't mean that like you need to be there every hour. No, the best thing to do is that you can create your videos and schedule it. Let's say you want to be posting 3 videos per week or 2 videos per week, or depending on your effort, you can create it at once and schedule that particular videos, and it's going to come out at the exact time that you set it to come out. So you can do that, and as far as people continue to see your face on the platform, then definitely people are going to actually fall in love with your content, and they are going to actually subscribe to your channel. So the next thing that you can do to actually get 1000 subscribers fast on YouTube is make sure you comment on your competitors' videos or comment on people that are in your niche videos. And the good side about it is that when you make a comment and that comment is having value in it, and you are lucky enough and your comment become a top comment, let's say it's able to get like become a top comment and is leading the comment section and it's having hundreds of like likes, that means those people liking your comments, some are going to click on that particular your profile and go and check on your channel. And if they check on your channel and they see that you are actually providing value there, then they are going to actually subscribe to your channel. And as they subscribe to your channel, then you are going to be getting a lot of like traction on your channel, and which is going to push you towards 1000 subscribers. So the next thing that you need to do when you want to actually get 1000 subscribers fast on YouTube is you need to optimize your videos for search. Optimize your videos for search. And this one is actually tricky, and I'm going to simplify it for you because I've been on this platform for a long period of time, and like many of my videos are actually like on the search page, and I know how I do it, and I'll show you guys how to also do it. Make sure you're using videos like how to, those videos that are using how to, kind of like at the beginning, maybe how to do this, how to tie a tie, how to start a YouTube channel. Those kind of videos are actually like when you are searching on the page, then those are the kind of videos that pop up first. So as you are starting out, nobody knows you. So the best way to stand out is to optimize your videos for search. And when you optimize your videos for search, then definitely you are going to actually get a lot of subscribers, and it's going to push you toward 1,000 subscribers. And the last that I will talk about is giving call to action at the end of your videos. Giving call to action at the end of your videos. And giving call to action at the end of your videos, like you need to actually tell people at the end of the video to do something, and that thing will be to subscribe to your channel. If they enjoy your video and they want to be seeing content like this, you need to remind people that, oh, if they want to be seeing your content again and again, then they need to subscribe to your channel. And many people, they normally forget to subscribe to the channel, but if you remind them that, oh, you need to subscribe to the channel, then they are going to subscribe. Many are going to subscribe, and as they are subscribing, then your subscriber count is going to be increasing, and you're going to move towards the 1,000 subscribers mark. And I believe that when you follow these particular 5 principles or 5 steps, then it's going to help you to get your 1,000 subscribers fast on YouTube. And if this video was helpful, and if this video was helpful and you want to be seeing this face with good value like this, so make sure you smash the subscribe button, and also more to the point, comment in the comment section what you have learned about this video.